Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 2nd March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 7, number 11, number 20, number 32, number 39, booster number 43. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction. Join now UK 49's 3 hot number. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 6, number 19, number 20, number 34, number 46, booster number 25. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.